Nails. Yo.
Port Bell Drive.
Week 23, Luganda XLz. Yeah, I can't tell you what her name is. She keeps it still clean, always stainless. Atukuroku vakukoya. Where she responds, you would think that she's a lawyer with the intellect of a professor. Murabira wala nenetereza kumapesa. She got a man, he drives a new car. I feel, abemyala jembuka. I have a dream, brain words, I go marusu. When you can't afford ish, toina ya dakanusu. Though she compliments, says I'm nice with the rhymes, but she loves how I'm always enticing her mind. So I be in the kitchen full of fantasies. When I hear her stilettos, I always lose my patience, see? I only bring the menu just to holler. Don't mind me, cause store na kamwenyu kumachama. Kumbanjagara, 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 kumbanjagara.